If you go here, and it's going to go ahead and do that. You can also add codes. It's going to slip in really easily. We're going to first put the deadbolt. We're going to see right here there's an arrow up. That needs to face up. This is going to go in there. We're going to take the deadbolt strike plate screws. In this part, we're going to put the exterior lock in. This middle piece right here is the paddle. You want this horizontal. You need to remove this double-sided tape. We're going to route that underneath, and then the paddle, which is horizontal, is going to go in that middle part. It's going to slip in really easily. And now we're going to take the plate that's on the back of the indoor piece. We're going to go ahead and take off this little double-sided tape here. We're going to route this through here, and then we're going to want to line this up with the paddle going through the middle and the two holes lining up for the mounting screw. Make sure to screw in the mounting screws all the way. We're going to go ahead and just slip that in. Any of the excess wire, going to push that into the open space into the door. Make sure that this is vertical. Also, take out the side sensor, and then we're going to push that into there. And then we're going to put this until it's flush with the door. We're going to take off the cover here. All right, now we're going to put 3 little screws in here so it will stay attached. All right, we're going to take the last self-tapping screw. That's going to go up here at the top. Here's the battery. You'll want to charge it before you put it in. Put this like this, and we're going to slip it in. And then we're going to put the cover on top of that. We're going to put the door sensor. It's going to have a double-sided piece of tape on the back, or you can screw it in. All right, and there you go. I'm fully installed. I did install the app and go to Google Play or the Apple App Store. Download from Desloc. Then you can set this up. I already have my right thumb programmed in, so you'll see if you go here, and it's going to go ahead and do that. It will automatically lock if you leave it for a certain amount of time. You can also add codes if you're looking for a lock for your house. Check out this Desloc.